All right, phlebotomist. So if you're watching this right now, you're wanting to make money with your mobile phlebotomy business, okay? So right now, what we're looking at is a tracker. So let's just say you're starting this mobile phlebotomy business from scratch. You have a niche, and it's going to be on cardiovascular disease, okay? So right here at the very bottom, you're going to see the different types of tests that you can offer that's related to cardiovascular disease. So you got lipid panel, CRP, you got your LDL, APOB particle test, you got your homocysteine test. So all of these are going to all be related to some type of heart testing for your customer or your patients. That's why you need to have a niche where you can just primarily focus on this patient population based on the disease, whether it's chronic or acute, but it has to be focusing on that specific niche or the disease that the patient's going through, okay? So what we're going to do now is go to Rupa so that we can look at the price for a lipid panel. So we're going to do this first line right here, okay? So we're going to look at how much a lipid panel costs, okay? So we're going to go here and you're going to see here on Rupa, we have a lipid panel and the processing and the actual fee is going to be $37.93. You can see it right here on the bottom right hand corner, okay? So we're going to highlight this and you can copy it and then place this into the actual tracker. So here we are on the tracker and we're going to just plug that in, okay? So we're going to plug in the processing is $37.93, okay? So that's how much it is to process this actual lipid panel. This is how much it is to process it, to create it, to have the equipment and everything. Is $37.93, okay? So we have that there. What we're now going to place is our draw fee. Now, the draw fee is going to be, different for everybody depending on what types of kits you're offering, your price point, your margins, your expenses, like all that's going to matter to know exactly how much you're going to be charging. So for this example, let's just say we're going to have the fee be $142.07, okay? So when you have those two numbers together, it's going to give you a total amount of $180, okay? Y'all following me, right? So now what we're going to do is have a set goal on how many lipid panels do we want to sell, okay, so that we can, have a goal set. So let's just say we wanted to sell, let's just say $3,200 worth, okay? Bam. Now, what this tells us is that we have a lab expense of $682.74, which means that we're going to see 18 patients a month. Okay. So out of those 18 patients, we need to pay the laboratory $682.74 to not only create those kits, but to also process them. And the way we check the math is obviously multiplying the 18 patients times the actual processing fee, which is the $37.93. Okay. So that we can just know what the exact numbers are and we can just make sure that the math is mathing. Okay. So we'll just need to see 18 patients a month for us to profit $2,517.26 for our mobile phlebotomy business, okay? So we now have our revenue goal that we wanted to hit. We have our lab expenses. We know what the amount of money we're going to make with our lab work services offering just lipid panels to our customers. And we need to sell at least 18 of them per month to hit this specific profit, okay? So what we're going to do now is go to our funnel and just plug all these specific numbers in, look at them, and just understand how this whole entire process works, okay? Because now you have the price for your lab services, okay? But now we need to present it to our customer. So what we're going to do is now go to a funnel, and a funnel is almost like a website, but it's a little bit better because you can put more strategy into a funnel versus a website, which I strongly recommend. So if you have a website, I promise you, I'm not saying this to discourage you, I'm just being honest because again, you will need to have strategy behind a funnel and websites just don't have strategy. I'm just being honest, okay? If you wanted to learn more about this, get more in depth and get the trackers, just comment the word school, SKOOL in the comment section so that you can get the link to jump in and just understand funnels, understand these trackers, get the tracker, and then start to execute your business the right way, okay? So first, we're going to go over here to our actual landing page. So I have one of my mentees landing pages we'll look at. So here it is right here. Now, what we're looking at specifically is going to be a page where this person or customer is going to be looking and now they're getting all of this value, all this information related to that specific disease that they're going through or they care about, right? So if it's cholesterol, most likely this person may be having heart issues. They may be a smoker. They may be a person that eats bad food. You know what I mean? So there's so many different reasons or ways that this specific test or this lead magnet can be given to that specific customer, okay? So once a person clicks right here, they're then going to be given that free guide, okay? So what happens is once a person clicks here, I'm going to show you. So right here, when you go to pop-up settings, you're going to see here this pop up, okay? So now we're going to be able to get the person's or the patient's first name, their email address, if we wanted their telephone number, we can get all of that so that we're able to create some leads, okay? That's the whole purpose of us getting business, right? Starting a business is to get leads and get customers in who are interested in our services. So these people are going to be considered warm leads because now they got something from you, and now you can cold call them and say, hey, how was that ebook? Did you learn anything? Was it helpful for you related to cardiovascular disease or cholesterol? Okay, but this is how we capture our leads information so that we're able to make relationships with them, send them promotion, coupons, discounts, etc. Okay, so once this person opts in, we're going to have them go to the next page, which is going to be presented our core offer. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like now. So this is going to be our core offer. You're going to go right here over to, we're going to go back, and then we're going to go right here into the core offer. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you guys can see like a bird's eye view. I'm going to click on edit, give it a second. All right, cool. So here we are in the core offer. So I'm going to show you on a cell phone view. So now the person or the customer is going to get this specific free ebook or the lead magnet sent to their email. Okay, so you're going to see the sign or the wording right here. Sent. Check your email or your spam folder for your free heart health PDF, right? So then you're going to have this customer see more content, more information that keeps them there on this page so they can learn more and actually get your core offer, that one lab test you're offering. And then we can offer the other lab tests afterwards. But we want to just talk about one lab test so we don't confuse our audience or our patients when they're on this specific page, okay? So you're going to have this person come and look at all your information, the reason why you started this business, your VSL page, your credibility, the different laboratories you're partnered with. So they're getting a lot of information on this page. And again, we're making it tailored to heart patients, okay? So that's our niche, right? So when they're going through this and they're getting all this information, all this value, and you see how it's a big difference from a website, but I really want you to look at this portion, Phlebs. So once we have this person interested in our lab work services, let's just say they watched this video and they're sold. They don't even have to watch anything else or look at anything else. They're sold after this video. What we're going to do is have this customer click on the green right here, right? So that they can actually schedule an appointment. What happens is once this customer clicks right here, bam, they're going to see a pop-up that pops up, okay? And now they're able to do an order bump, okay? And an order bump allows a phlebotomist to generate more revenue based on what that patient wants on top of their original blood draw order. So for instance, let's just say if Mr. Pete needed lab work services done, okay? Mr. Pete goes into your lead magnet, they get the free thing, right? And then they go into the next page with your core offer. Once they see your core offer and everything there and they're interested, they're going to click that button to schedule an appointment. And then they're going to get to this page right here. See, Mr. P is a heart stick patient and he knows he's a heart stick patient. You know, he has the nurses draw his blood and it doesn't, work out. It's not successful. So now they're coming to an actual phlebotomist to where this phlebotomy company is offering a vein finder. What? Okay. So now this patient is not only seeing this as an opportunity for him to not get stuck 3 or 4 times, but now he can see that it's value in this specific service. Okay. So right here, you're going to see where this person can actually click right here and it'll be an order bump to where now, instead of them paying $180, now it'll be, maybe $200, okay? Or whatever that price point is for your order bump, okay? So you can do another one to where you can say, hey, we have the comfort and precision upgrade to where you can actually offer things like numbing wipes, okay? So you can actually wipe on the patient's vein, okay? And then it'll be a little bit more numb for that patient so they don't feel any pain as the needle is inserted into their actual, vein, okay? So it makes the experience a little bit more comfortable for the patient. And then you have another one where you can do another order bump to where you can actually upsell butterfly needles. So if you're a phlebotomist and you're drawing blood in a patient, usually we just, go right for the straight needles because they're easier, they're convenient, and they're a lot cheaper than the butterfly needles. So we don't want to always have butterfly needles available for patients as they are expensive. So you want to use them as a, as a by need or as a needed circumstances, okay? Because not everybody needs a butterfly needle, especially when you can see there's a juicy vein. just go in with the straight needle. Okay, just make it simple and easy for you. Okay, but if that person, specifically wants a butterfly needle, we can have them click on this specific button so they can upsell for a butterfly needle because they are expensive and a lot of patients don't need a butterfly needle for lab work services. Okay, so if they want it, they can do the upsell and then that'll all be added into their final total or their cart value so that you're able to make more profit with your business. Okay, this patient can feel more comfortable getting lab work services because you're offering these extra pieces of value to your services. So now once they actually put their credit card information and they check out, they're then going to be sent to the thank you page. And the thank you page is going to look like this. It's going to be very simple, very easy. So let me just show you what that looks like. So just go here where it says thank you. And you see how the funnel is just sending that customer, that patient through a journey. And then you're going to have the thank you page shown. And this is what the thank you page looks like. So again, we're going to have them, get this page whenever they check out. And now they're going to see what the next steps are related to blood work services so that you can service these patients with your mobile phlebotomy business. Okay. So again, we're going to have this patient opt in, giving away some free value, free information, a PDF, a checklist, a training, a guide, okay, related to the niche or the disease that they're going through. This is why we need to have one niche. And you don't want to offer all these things, so it's going to get confusing to your patient who comes to your actual funnel page. Once they come to your funnel page and they look at your opt-in, get your free thing, they're going to be sent over to the core offer where you're talking about one specific lab test that you're going to offer to the specific patient. You're going to have an order bump so that you can make more value into that cart. Okay, so you get your average cart value. So how many patients are ordering lab work services and what's the average of them getting the upsell or the order bumps with your phlebotomy services. And then once they make payment, they're going to come here to the appointment confirmation section where they'll be then told what to do next. We'll give them a call to confirm the patient appointment, their script, and we just move forward with lab work services. Okay, very simple, straight to the point, and it's so much better than websites. Okay. So this is going to be your phlebotomy funnels. And if you wanted to learn more on this, comment school right now in the comment section so you can understand funnels, get one set up and get your business up and running in less than 7 days. Okay. This is completely free. Don't forget, in the school community. So comment the word SKOOL in the comment section and I'll see you in the community so that we can turn our sticks into stacks with your mobile phlebotomy business. See you guys soon.